Understanding Healthy Choices, a guide to better choices for your well-being. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very relevant and important phrase, healthy choices. This term is not just about food or exercise. It encompasses a range of decisions that contribute to a healthier lifestyle. Let's explore what this means and how it applies to our daily lives. Healthy choices refers to decisions that positively impact your physical, mental, and emotional health. It's about choosing actions that improve your well-being. These choices are not just about avoiding illness, but also about feeling good, being active, and having a positive mindset. 1. Dietary choices. Opting for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. 2. Physical activity. Incorporating regular exercise, whether it's walking, yoga, sports, or gym workouts. 3. Mental health. Prioritizing activities that reduce stress and enhance mental well-being, like meditation, reading, or hobbies. 4. Social interactions. Engaging in positive social activities that bring joy and support mental health. Making healthy choices can have a profound impact on your life. It leads to improved physical health, enhanced mood and mental clarity, increased energy levels, and overall, a more fulfilling and enjoyable life. 1. Set realistic goals. Start with small, achievable goals. 2. Plan ahead. Prepare healthy meals in advance. Schedule workout times. 3. Seek support. Join groups or find friends with similar goals. 4. Stay informed. Educate yourself about what constitutes a healthy lifestyle. Remember, making healthy choices is a journey, not a destination. Every small step counts. We hope this video has been informative and inspires you to make choices that benefit your health and happiness. Stay tuned for more insightful videos.